Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can set sale prices for products with variants. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Kashif Mahmood, the founder of KM Webverse, a Shopify developer and expert. So in this video I am going to show you how you can set up sale prices on your Shopify products that have variants in it. So here you can see this product has two variants, this one has four variants. So let me just open this one to set up sale and show you guys. So here let me scroll down and here you can see the four variants that I have. So if you want to set up the sale, just click on the variant and here you will see the variant option over here. So this is the variant, just click on it. So here you can see the four variants, all of them. So if you want to set up sale on this one, here you can write the compare at price. So the original price is like 29.99. So let me just copy this one and we will have to write the original price over here. And now we can set up this like 22.99. So the original price will be 29.99 and the discounted price will be 22.99. And similarly for the other variants, just click on them and here you can set up the price. If you just want to add the compare at price and do not want to change this pricing, then you can do something like this. So the compare at price will be like this and the original pricing and the discounted prices is like this, and just click on save changes. And now let's go back. I will also show you how you can change the pricing in bulk. Currently you can just click on preview and here you can see the pricing. So the sale is on now, and to edit the product prices in bulk, just go to the products and here you can select the products for which you want to set the sale price. So for example, for these four products, if we want to set up, we can select them and click on bulk edit over here, and here you can click on column and here just scroll down and select this compare at price. So this new column will be added over here. So here you can just change the pricings. So just make sure that the compare at price is larger than the base price, so the sale will be on. And after that, after making the changes, just click on this save button and all of the changes will be updated and your store will be ready for the sale. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.